aim for the phone. You aim for my phone, I'll kill you.
Watch out!
Hey, give me both the pounds.
No.
No, dude. You use your own fork, Kev.
But I don't have any guns.
You just made me choose. Use the Uzi. Use the smoothie.
No, the Uzi's dry. Dude, it has nothing in it. No? Don't fill it up.
Don't dry fire it.
Yeah, don't dry fire it. Just
Here,
use that.
use this.
Or even a pistol. Just use a crap.
See, that's what you get for talking crap about
Wait,
airsoft guns.
guys.
Spill
Hold
my
on
BB.
1 minute. Kevin, I figured out what. Hurry up. It's using up data. I'm not sure if it will work. Okay, so hurry up.
You're not using up data, you're using up memory space, genius.
Whatever. 3.
Memory space, bro.
Go!
No, Max.
Hold up. That was awesome.
Dude, I want to see that video. You're gonna have to text me that.
I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
Are you on fire? Why are you wasting my time calling me? Text me that.
There's gonna be a lot of